Hello and welcome as we look at the BLSKBY heavy-duty metal laundry pedestal for your home. This universal riser fits 27 and 28-inch machines from Samsung, LG, and GE. Built from heavy-duty steel, this durable stand can easily support up to 650 pounds. The reinforced base and wide legs ensure your washer and dryer stay stable during every single cycle. Raising your appliances by over 12 inches helps you avoid bending and protects your back while doing laundry. The white finish looks great, and the simple installation process makes it a perfect addition to any room. You also get a 1-year warranty and 24-hour customer support for total peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.